It's time for Q&A with the Credit Game.
Refresh Financial started in 2013 but was bought by Barwell December 15, 2020. Their flagship product is their GIC savings loan, or what they call their Refresh Financial Credit Rebuilding Loan. A GIC savings loan is essentially a very expensive forced savings program. You don't actually get any money from Refresh Financial. You pick a term and the amount you want to save up for. I go through the different options in a second. If you complete the loan, you will get all the money back, minus their fees and the interest that they charge you. If you try and cancel before the term is completed, you must pay them the fees and interest on the full term out of your pocket. If you don't, you'll be sent to collections, which of course is really going to hurt your credit. Confused yet? You're not alone. Many Canadians get started trying to improve their credit only to make it worse because they didn't understand the terms or the fact that it wasn't really a loan and they don't get any money. Despite the high costs and the confusion, thousands of Canadians continue to sign up in an attempt to improve their credit score and rebuild their credit. But is the cost and the risk really worth it? Get ready to go through the Refresh Financial Credit Rebuilding Loan Review, and we'll see if it's the best option for you to improve your credit score fast. There are four main categories I look at before recommending credit rebuilding loans, credit cards, or lines of credit. How expensive it is, does it report to both Equifax and TransUnion, the value to the score or how much it affects the score, and value to an underwriter. An underwriter works at the banks and reviews your next credit application before you can get approved. One of the biggest downsides to this product is how expensive it is. Currently, here are the term lengths and the loan amounts, or what I would call forced savings amount, you can choose from. On their website, you can find the corresponding payments. Please don't ever get tricked by the monthly, biweekly, or weekly payments. Salespeople are always trying to get you to focus on the smaller number because it tricks your brain to think that it's cheaper. In my opinion, to make an educated decision, you need to review the contract for what is called the cost of borrowing. This section is where lenders in Canada are forced to outline the total cost of financing. Here's the cost of borrowing for each term option. Doesn't matter which option you choose, I give the Refresh Financial Credit Rebuilding Loan a big fat X for the stupid high cost being charged on your own money. The Refresh Financial Credit Rebuilding Loan reports to both Equifax and TransUnion. Not all GIC savings loans do. I rarely suggest my clients to use loans to rebuild credit. If you want to learn why, I have a video in the More Info or Show More section why you might not want to get a loan. Just like any other loan, when you pay your bills on time, the Refresh Credit Rebuilding Loan will build your credit moderately. Underwriters do see loans as a credible account when trying to rebuild your credit. However, they would much prefer to see them with a major bank. Seeking a loan with a non-major bank could make you look desperate. The underwriter may assume that you are taking out a high-interest, high-fee loan because he can't handle your finances properly. That may not be true, but when it comes to the banks, you are always guilty until proven innocent. That is why I grade the Refresh Financial Credit Rebuilding Loan as a low, because most underwriters won't be impressed, regardless of how long you've had it or that you have paid your bills on time. I feel that Refresh Financial tries very hard to inform potential clients of how the GIC savings loan or credit rebuilding loan works. However, many Canadians are still confused. And that really is my biggest problem with their product. They will report you as late and even send you to collections if you don't pay on time. Now, on a typical loan, I understand why that is necessary. But on a GIC savings loan, it is your own money. They don't lend you a penny. In my opinion, they should charge you all the fees and interest up front or allow you to stop payment at any time. This would reduce the risk of having a credit rebuilding loan that hurts your credit instead of helping. I know some Canadians prefer a loan because they don't like credit cards. If that is your situation, I suggest you check out the review for the KOHO Credit Rebuilding Lock. You can also check out this other video I did that outlines a trick on how to use a credit card to get all the benefits with none of the temptation. If you believe a loan will really do wonders for your credit, I suggest using the other credit reporting products first to rebuild your credit, so it's good enough to get approved with a major bank. A loan with a major bank brings so much more value to improving your credit and is a heck of a lot less expensive. Before signing up for a Refresh Financial loan, make sure you review the total borrowing costs to make sure it is worth your money. You can check out the up-to-date reviews of all the different credit rebuilding products offered in Canada to see which one is best for you.